Hello, good afternoon. It's a beautiful afternoon. And today is actually our first quarantine day here in Negros Oriental, in Valencia specifically. And I am the only person allowed to get out only for food and medical purposes. And aside from that, you're not allowed. They'll arrest you if you violate. Anyway, I was out yesterday. I was checking our favorite bagel place and they're closed. We didn't realize that they've been closed for a few days. So we miss our bagels. And then we have an opportunity. We have an oven. So we'll make our own bagel. Let's see and join me in my kitchen. Alright, so here's our bagel ingredients. First, we have 3 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 1/2 cups of warm water, 2 teaspoons of dry yeast, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We need a teaspoon of vanilla flavor. After we boiled our bagels, we have to brush it with the egg white. If you want sesame bagel, you can add this on top and bake them. First step, we have to get 1/2 cup of water for our yeast. Okay, so here's my sesame bagels. I have to let them cool before I eat them. Okay, here's my taster. Let's see if you like it.
You gotta put the cream cheese on, of course. They're still a little warm.
Of course, the cream cheese.
What else is it for?
It tastes like a bagel?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Probably
Thank you.
tortilla.
That's all for today. Alright, here's the final bagels of the day. I made 10, but it's already 9 because we already ate one. So there you go. It tastes delicious. Thank you for watching and have a great day or evening, everyone. Bye.